Can I see you? Hi.
Look, look the dog. Yeah.
Is it a dragon?
Yeah,
Do you bring
he's
to
stuck in mud. He's
stuck in
stuck
the mud?
in
Stuck in the
yeah. Look,
mud. Oh no. What is that? What is that?
too. That was the excavator. Where's the
Tools. Do you bring toys in the playhouse?
no the toy there.
There's toys there. Okay. Do you like it
Yeah,
there? Do you like going to the daycare?
yeah, look.
Do you like going,
It's,
Denver,
look
do you
at
like
this.
going to the daycare?
It's, wow!
Denver, Denver, hello. I will tell something. Denver,
My ear.
yes, you should eat more, okay? Because
I know.
you always play in the daycare and then you get thinner.
Oh,
You get thinner.
no, look.
See? I see your hands getting small and your arms. Your arms getting small. And your tummy, no more. No more tummy.
But,
See, oh, payat ka na, oh. Payat na ikaw.
I
You
know
should,
that
you should eat more,
I
okay? Say, opo.
Papa, look at me. The excavator quite warm.